Hey guys, John here with realtruck.com, and we just got our Power Stop Z23 Evolution Sport Brake Kit, and I'm going to show you guys what comes in the boxes. We have our box for our front kit and a box for our rear kit. You're going to get 2 boxes for each, and I'm going to show you what comes in the boxes. In our front kit we have our brake pads, and let's open these up and take a look at these brake pads. We have our rattle kits, our clips that keeps them in place. And all right, let's break these guys out of here. These are our brake pads. Now these are pretty cool because these are a carbon fiber ceramic infused pad, which is going to help these things really give you some good braking. You can see there the pad and the shims on the back, which are going to help keep them quieter. We'll get the rest of these out of here. And we'll just set those there where you guys can get a look at those. And I want to pop these clips open here and show you the clips too. And we have the clips that go on the pads, and these basically just attach on there to keep these from chattering back and forth in your caliper. And we also have some caliper grease here for the brake pads. So I'm going to move this out of our way, and we'll get to the next part. All right, so we have our calipers. Let's take these out of the bag and check these out. You can see here, these are some pretty nice looking calipers, guys. Dual piston, so these are gonna work out really well on our vehicle. So we have both our right and left calipers. Look and see what we got in this box. Ah, yes, guys. Check these out. These are awesome. We have our rotors, which are, as you guys can see here, drilled and slotted, and that's going to help keep them cooler and keep the dust off so our pads contact better. And they're also zinc plated, which is going to keep them from rusting. So they're going to continue to look pretty awesome on our truck for a long time. Now these two right here just so happen to be the rear rotors. So we're going to set these over here, and I'm going to grab this other box. Now something to keep in mind here is that these kits come with the rotors and the brake pads. However, these calipers are optional, so you want to keep that in mind when you're looking at getting your kit. And as you guys can see here, the front rotors are pretty much exactly the same as the rear. Now, the really cool part is that these are all marked so that a way you know which one goes which in which spot because of the drilling and slotting. You want to make sure you get them in the correct location. So got that. Let's grab the last box. It comes with our rear pads, which should be just like our front ones, only bigger. You can see here it comes like this. I'm going to open these up. And you guys can see here what these look like and such. So we're going to set these right up here with those. Also comes with some more of that. And let's get this out, and this should be our calipers. And we have here our calipers and our brake rattle clips. You can see here, this is what the caliper looks like for the rear. And you're probably wondering at this point why this rear one's smaller than the front one, and that's because most of your braking power is on the front, so that's where you want all the heavy duty stuff operating is in the front of your vehicle. And in here we have the other caliper, which also has the clips in here as well. Now, you can see here that when they sent these, they actually have one side, the clips are already on, so you can kind of see how they go. So there you have it, guys. That's what comes in your Power Stop Z23 Evolution Sport Brake Kit.